Imagine being able to make $700 a day just by listening to music you love. Yes, that's right. You can do this from anywhere in the world for 100% free, and all the money you make belongs to you. To make it even better, you only need a phone or laptop as you sit back to listen to some quality music. If you've ever thought that the only way to make money was to do one back-breaking work after another, think again. So stay glued to your screen, guys, as you don't want to miss even a single step of what we are about to show you if you don't want to lose out on making money. I will also be sharing bonus tips with you that would help you maximize your earning potential. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we go into the details of the method, let's break down just how much you can earn listening to songs. When you listen to one song, you can make about $7. Listen to 10 songs and you have $70. If you decide to listen to 30 songs a day, you can make about $210. Basically, the more songs you listen to, the more money you make from this method. And there are hundreds of people making money every day with this method. Imagine listening to 100 songs a day. You already have $700 going straight to the bank. With that out of the way, let's get into the steps for you to start making money while listening to music. One of the websites we'll be using for this is Mixkit.co. And when you search for the site on Google, you are immediately taken to a page filled with copyright-free songs and videos available to anyone. If you take some time to scroll down the homepage, the first thing you notice is that there are tons of genres and a little something for everybody. Now is the perfect time to throw in the first of many pro tips in this video. At the top of the page, directly under the name of the website, there is a section called Genre, and when you click on it, it reveals a list of the different music genres on the site. Well, you can choose any genre you're interested in, focus your attention on hip-hop, R&B, and acoustic, because they are the genres that gather more interest. Click on the genres you want to work with, download some of the music in those categories, and let's move to the next phase of this method. On your browser, type in uploadforever.com, and this site is where you are going to make all your money. Basically, this is a website that allows you to upload your files for free and get paid when someone downloads your file. Cool, right? The pricing system varies depending on the country you're in, and the countries are grouped into 4 tiers. The 4-tier payment structure will pay you based on where you receive the most downloads. For example, if you get most of your downloads from Tier 1 countries, you'll earn $7. Downloads from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries will earn $4 per download, and Tier 4 countries will earn a modest $3. What makes it more exciting is that you can easily make 10% extra profit from anyone you bring to the platform. With this platform, you'll be raking in the money in no time. Once you've gotten a good look at the various benefits and features of the site, it's time to take a step forward by signing up. The sign-up process is very straightforward and easy, as all you have to do is type in your name, password, email address, then go to your email to activate your account, and you're in. You are given a whopping 120 gigabytes of space to upload anything you want. And there is an affiliate link already generated for you. On the dashboard, you can see how many videos you've uploaded, the money you've made, and the referrals you have so far. If you're using a mobile phone, tap on the icon at the top left corner of your page and select payment information from the list that appears. For people using a laptop, you can find the payment information button below the dashboard. In just a few seconds, we are going to tell you something that will blow your mind, so stick around to find out. You already know that sites like this are going to include popular payment methods like PayPal and Payoneer as part of their payment options. But what makes this site stand out is that there are over 20 different payment methods available. Yes, there are so many options to choose from. And no matter what you're using, the platform's got you covered. You can go for the popular payment options like PayPal, Payoneer, Payeer, and Skrill. But if you love cryptocurrency like me, then you'll be glad to hear that the site also pays you in crypto like Bitcoin, Tether, and Ethereum, leaving all the choices at your fingertips. After you've sorted out your payment details, the next step is to upload your files. To do that, click on Upload Files and it will take you to another page where you can upload files from your device. You may want to be a bit cautious when uploading files because you don't want to violate any of their terms of use. If you do violate any of their rules, you'll be prevented from making any money on the site. And that is the last thing anyone wants because you don't want to go through all this trouble without getting anything out of it. While uploading, You can see how big the file is, and there's a space for you to type in the title of the song and name of the artist, so that others can know what they're getting. Set it to public so that potential buyers can see it, then click on Upload to get your files on the site. After your file has been uploaded, check My Files to confirm that what you wanted was uploaded. When clicking for your file in the My Files section, you will see various information regarding the file, and under the Action section, there is a green icon and red icon underneath. Click on the green icon to set the price and make it something you're comfortable with. If you're using your phone to do this, you will have to scroll to the side to see the Action section, or you can easily open your browser and click on the desktop site to save yourself the hassle of scrolling back and forth. Upload at least 10 songs in total and split them between the different music genres you chose. Wait. Before we rush into the next phase, here is another exciting tip to boost your earnings when you start. Downloading music from the hip-hop, acoustic, and R&B categories is great and all, but did you play the music before downloading it? If you haven't downloaded the music yet, now is a great time to listen to the music first. Having a preview of the songs before downloading gives you an idea of what you are downloading and how to present it in a way that will interest people. Make sure it's something others will like before downloading it, as this would increase the chances of people downloading your music and sharing it with their friends too. And of course, you'll get paid more if more people download your music. Now, to get people from all over the world to see your uploads, copy your published files link and share them with your friends and family. Plus, you can take your copied links and paste them on various social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and Instagram, with enough content to compel people to click on your links and download the files. Once you've gotten your first download, you can withdraw it straight to your account. Here's another bonus tip for the road. Apart from UploadForever.com, there is another site you can use to upload music and make money. That site is $upload.com. $upload works like Upload Forever, as you are paid when people download your files. This site has a lot of payment options like PayPal, Payoneer, PayQuicker, and Solid Trust Pay, and you can be rest assured that your payments will get to you within 24 hours. To get started, tap on the register icon and fill out your personal information. Once that is completed, you can upload your files, copy the generated links, and send them to your friends and family. Or you can always paste the links on various social media platforms to get people's attention and make money. And there you have it. Everything you need to make money listening to music.